Hi, Jessica.
Hello. My question is that I feel so lit up by this kind of connection. I feel like a lot of love for myself. I can feel love for others. Where I struggle with that is when I'm on my own. And especially these days, there's a lot of time alone. I have a hard time connecting with that feeling of love for myself and a feeling of just connection in general. And I find that my worries, the thoughts that we've been talking about, they just come in so heavily. And I'm wondering if you have any insight on how to just tap into that loving, connected place that I feel with around others who can help me reflect that.
Thanks, Jessica. It's a very good question and very relevant at this time when we are, many of us, forced to spend a lot more time alone. So that's a challenge, but it's also a great gift. Now, there's a reason why the yogis in the Himalaya leave their villages and they go to the mountains to sit in a cave and meditate there all day. Because what happens when we leave behind the distractions of relating with people, TV, phone, so many distractions now. We're in the age where it's distraction overload. It's just at our fingertips. Never before in the history of humanity have we had so much distraction. So when we leave all that behind and we just be, what happens is everything that's been dormant under the surface, everything that's been unprocessed in the system starts to bubble up. Now, this is the very reason why there is such a strong interest in society in holding on to these distractions, seeking externally one experience, another experience, food, drink, phones, I want more and more and more. Because it does a wonderful job of distracting us from what's lurking underneath. So life is inviting us now in this lockdown situation to go within and to really have a look, what's here? Now, we can explore it together now if you like, and then when it comes up again when you're by yourself, it will be easier for your system because it's already explored it now. Would you like to have a look at it together? Okay, great. So just bring your attention present and very, very gently let your attention drop into the body and just notice that inner aliveness. And what does it feel like in the body?
I feel a quickening of my heart, but that might be because I'm on camera. But the familiar sensation that I feel now and that I often feel when I'm alone is just a tightening in my chest. That would be the main sensation, just a tightening.
Okay. Great. Wonderful that it's here and wonderful that you're in tune with it. So usually what happens when there's an unpleasant sensation in the body is that we seek to get rid of it so we don't have to feel it. We don't want to feel it or avoid it or numb ourselves in some way. And being able to go out, go shopping or meet our friends, it's a wonderful way to not feel it. It distracts us. So now we're going in the opposite direction. Instead of moving away from it, we very, very gently move closer to it. So let your attention move closer to this tightness and gently open up to it. And take your attention into the tightness and just stay present with it. Just feel it without waiting for it to go away, without waiting for anything to happen. What do you notice? That's it. Open up to it. That's it. It wants to release. So gently open up to it and let it come. It's very good. That's it. Yeah. This is old energy releasing right now. It's beautiful, Jessica. Let it come. It's so deeply honored. That's it. Let it all come. Take your time. There's no rush. Nobody's waiting for anything. Everyone's just meeting their own inner experiences. And I'm just enjoying being here with you and meeting this. That's it. What are you experiencing?
I don't know. Like, I'm like sweating.
Yeah, it's normal. Often when a lot of energy is releasing, a lot of heat comes. So it's just the energy moving. It's very good. Just keep staying present with it. Your system knows exactly how to process it, how to release it. Whatever wants to come, let it come. If it's laughter, if it's tears, if it's sweating, whatever it is, just let it come. You don't have to be any certain way.
Oh, a lot of energy. Just, I can feel it coming. Like my whole body is shaking.
Yeah, oh, that's very good. A lot of energy is releasing. So just stay present with it and let it shake. Just watch it as it's shaking. That's it, yeah. There's a lot's releasing. Just keep feeling it. And it looks like you're enjoying it.
Yeah.
So that's good. I'm also enjoying it.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
Okay, just stay present with it. Just watch how this amazing body once we open up to the energy and we say, okay, yeah, I'll feel you. I'm not running away from you anymore. I'm going to go towards you. The whole system opens and it says, finally, this is what I've been waiting for. I've been trying to get your attention every day saying, feel me. And when we give it attention, it all starts releasing. It's wonderful.
That happened so fast.
Yeah, because you were so open. You were willing to go there and feel it. That's what we call surrender. Surrendering to the experience. Allowing the experience, allowing the sensations to be felt. And most of us, we spend our whole life even in a state of resistance, trying to get away from these feelings. And when we actually look at it, it's not so scary as our mind would have us believe. It's actually even quite enjoyable.
Yeah, that's true.
How are you feeling?
I feel bright.
Yeah. So a lot of energy is released, and you probably know this already, but I like to remind anyway, and also if there's other people here listening. Be gentle with yourself for the rest of the day, because your system will continue this integration and healing process on a deep energetic level. And you might find that it starts releasing more, or laughter comes, or tears come, or shaking comes. Now, whatever comes, just be with it and just open to it and feel it, just like you did with me. That's all you need to do. And your system knows now how to do this. So you got this power yourself now. You just sit and you open up to it. It's that simple.